How much time do you actually spend managing your business finances? Exploding head. If you're a small to medium-sized enterprise, SME, you know that time is your most precious resource. Every hour spent wrestling with receipts, chasing invoices, or waiting for bank transfers is an hour not spent growing your business, serving your customers, or, frankly, just living your life. This isn't a hypothetical problem, it's the reality for millions of business owners. It's often a messy, stressful patchwork, one bank for your current account, another app for invoicing, a spreadsheet for expense tracking, and then a mad dash at tax time to pull it all together. But what if there was an easier, smarter way? What if your banking could actually be a competitive advantage? That's what happened when real-life SMEs made the move to Tide. Before Tide, the stress and the struggle. We've spoken to a range of business owners, from freelancers to coffee shop owners and tech startups. The story is often the same. Before moving to Tide, their financial life was characterized by friction. Take Sarah, who runs a small graphic design studio. She told us, "I used to spend nearly an entire day a week on admin. My old bank's mobile app was clunky, and I was manually matching payments to invoices. It was draining, and it took me away from the creative work I actually love." Then there's Mark, a construction contractor. For him, the frustration was paperwork. Receipts everywhere. The shoebox method was real. And when it came to paying suppliers, the fees and transfer times felt like they were actively slowing down my projects. The common thread? The traditional banking simply wasn't built for the speed and agility an SME needs in the modern world. The Tide transformation, simple, smart, swift. So, what changed when they switched? The transformation was swift and significant. For Sarah, the game changer was invoicing. Tide lets you create and send professional, customized invoices right from the app. But the best part? When a client pays, Tide automatically matches the payment to the invoice. Sarah says, that admin day is gone. I check my finances in minutes, not hours. It's like having a free virtual accountant. Mark found his solution in expense management. With a Tide business card, he and his team simply snap a photo of a receipt, and the data is automatically logged and categorized. No more shoeboxes. Tax time is going to be painless this year. Plus, getting instant spending alerts gives me total peace of mind on job costs. It's not just about saving time, it's about smarter insights. Tide's app uses smart features to categorize your transactions, making tax reporting and budget analysis clearer than ever. They offer an integrated accounting platform, helping you see where your money is going and giving you the power to make better business decisions. The move to Tide isn't just a switch in banks, it's a switch in mindset. These business owners stopped being bogged down by financial admin and started focusing on what actually matters, growth and innovation. They gained not just a better bank account, but a powerful, integrated tool that truly understands the rhythm of running a small business. Ready to stop wasting time on finance admin and start focusing on your business? Click the link in the description to see how Tide can change the way you work. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.